there, kiddos! Welcome to our fruity adventure, where we'll meet some amazing fruits that are not only super tasty, but also super good for you. Are you ready to join the fruity fun?
Hey, hey, hey! I'm the apple of your eye, literally crunchy, juicy, and oh so delicious. Want to know why they say an apple a day keeps the doctor away? Well, I'm packed with fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants that keep your body strong and your tummy happy.
Peel the power, folks. I'm the banana, the ultimate energy booster. Need a quick energy boost? Just grab a banana. I'm loaded with potassium, which helps keep your muscles strong and your energy levels high. Plus, I come in my very own biodegradable packaging.
Yo, 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 it's mango time, party people. I'm the king of fruits, bringing you a tropical explosion of flavor. Not only am I delicious, but I'm also packed with vitamin C, which helps keep your immune system top-notch. So grab a slice of mango and let's party.
Hey everyone, I'm the orange, here to bring some sunny goodness to your day. I'm full of stuff that's good for you, like vitamin C, which helps keep you healthy and strong. Plus, I taste really yummy. So, grab a slice and let's keep the fruity fun going.
Hey, hey, hey! I'm the watermelon here to quench your thirst and satisfy your sweet tooth. With every juicy bite, you're getting hydration, vitamins, and antioxidants that keep you feeling fresh and fabulous. So, dive in and make a splash with a slice of watermelon fun.
Hey there, great pals. We might be small, but we're bursting with flavor and goodness. With every pop, you get a dose of antioxidants that help keep your heart healthy and your skin glowing. Plus, we're the perfect bite-sized snack for any adventure.
I'm the pineapple, here to bring a taste of the tropics to your table. I'm super juicy and tangy, and I'm packed with vitamin C and something called bromelain, which helps your tummy feel good and your body fight off yucky stuff. So grab a slice and let's party with healthy snacks.
I'm the strawberry, here to add a burst of berry-licious flavor to your day. Packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, I'm not just cute, I'm also super healthy. So, pop me in your mouth and let the fruity fun begin.
Hi, fruity friends. I'm the cherry, here to add a yummy pop to your snack time. Even though I'm small, I've got lots of good stuff inside, like vitamins and things called antioxidants. They help your heart stay strong and your body healthy. Plus, I'm super tasty. So grab a bunch and let's keep having fruity fun.
For kids, eating fruits is not only delicious, but also super healthy for your body. So let's keep the fruity fun rolling and munch on these amazing snacks every day. Until next time, stay fruity and fabulous.